All right, everybody, welcome back to Smith's Customs. You got Jacob here. All right, so I said we were going to go through this life support system, and I was going to tell you about it and what it was. All right, this is my life support system, or that's what I call it at least. All it is, I got a remote fuel bag, an IV stand. This is actually a carb sink for doing like 4-cylinder crotch rockets. So I just use this. I call it the life support because I use my remote fuel cell. It's got the ball valve and everything on the bottom of it, so I can hook this stuff up, test run things without ever having to put the fuel system back together, put the tank and everything back on. I can actually see what this thing's gonna do. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this thing does. See if we can pop off and breathe some fire into it. You can see the boat in the background. That's actually going to be coming up here pretty soon. We're getting really close to that. As soon as this bike's done, that boat's going to be next. It's still covered up from winter, by the way. Unfortunately. Getting a little late in the year. I mean, we're already into summer and I haven't even uncovered it yet. Alright, let's see what this thing does. It's going to take a couple times turning this on to get fuel to it. Okay, got fuel to her, so let's see what happens. Real cold-blooded. Alright, well, I'd call that a success. We're going to have to do some tuning after we get the air breather and everything back on it because this has vacuum operated slides in it. This is CV style carburetor. So without the air box or the air tubes or anything on it, it's going to run a little funny. So we got to go ahead and get everything back on there. Get everything buttoned up, and then we can adjust the idle out a little bit. And well, we got to get this fuel tank cleaned up so we can get this thing the rest of the way put back together and get it on the road. Take it out, put some miles on it, and see what it does. Alright, that's it on this video. If you're following along, hey, I appreciate the support. If you're just tuning in, check out some of the previous content. Like, subscribe, share. Alright, we'll catch you guys on the next one.